So, you want to build a website. You go to Google and suddenly you're hit with a wall of terms. HTML, CSS, Wix, WordPress, Webflow. It feels like you need a computer science degree just to start a website. In this video lesson series, I will show you step by step from scratch in a beginner-friendly way how to create a website. In this first video, I'm going to show you the 3 main ways to build a website so you can choose what actually fits your goals. There are 3 paths: custom coding, website builders, and content management systems, also known as CMS. Let's break them down. Path 1 is custom coding. This means building a website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of it like building a house brick by brick. You get full control. You can learn all these useful skills, but it will take a lot of time. You can also hire a developer to do it, but then you will be totally dependent on the developer. Who will manage your website if the developer leaves for any reason? In short, better control, but not beginner-friendly. Believe me, if it is your first website, you do not need it, so you can skip this for now. Path 2 is website builders like Wix or Squarespace, the easiest option. This is like staying in a luxury hotel. Everything is already set up for you. The design, the layout, everything works out of the box. But there's a catch. You do not fully own your website. You pay monthly fees, and moving your site later can be difficult. You're basically locked into their platform. Now, Path 3, content management systems or CMS. This is the sweet spot. Think of it like owning a modular home. The foundation is already built, but you can customize everything. You have control, and most importantly, you own it. In the CMS world, you have probably heard of WordPress, Webflow, or Joomla. CMSs like Webflow or Joomla are great for designers who want full control and a clean design, but they have a steeper learning curve and can get expensive. Then there's WordPress, which is easy to learn and gives you control at the same time. That is the reason it powers over 40% of the internet. It is free, open source, and has a massive community. There are thousands of plugins, and it is much easier for beginners to learn and grow with. We are choosing WordPress in this series for 3 simple reasons. First, ownership. You own your website and your data. Second, flexibility. You can turn your website into anything, like a blog, a store, or a forum. And third, cost. It is one of the most affordable ways to run a professional website. To use the real WordPress, we need hosting, the place where your website will live, and a domain name, the name or address of your website. In the next lesson, I will show you exactly how to get your hosting and a free domain name, so you can get your website online. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Take care, and bye!